Welcome back to Car Vibes, your home for the hottest news in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into Ford's boldest pony yet, the Mustang Omega 429. This isn't just a car, it's a declaration. A fusion of retro soul and cutting-edge engineering. The Omega 429 is designed to honor Mustang's storied past while propelling it into the future with aggression, style, and raw, untamed performance. From the moment your eyes catch the Mustang Omega 429, you know it's something special. The design team at Ford has gone all-in on visual drama. The front fascia is sharp and aggressive, with a reimagined trapezoidal grille that hints at the classic Mustang DNA but reinterpreted with laser-cut mesh and active air flaps for aerodynamic efficiency. The LED headlights are narrower and more angular than ever before, surrounded by an illuminated Omega signature that lights up as the driver approaches the vehicle. Ford didn't just update the design, they reinvented it while keeping it unmistakably Mustang. Underneath that sculpted hood sits the heart of the beast, a 7.0-liter naturally aspirated V8. You heard that right. While the world moves toward electrification, the Omega 429 defiantly brings back big block power, producing a staggering 670 horsepower and 610 pounds-ft of torque. This engine is the spiritual successor to the legendary Boss 429. Tuned with modern components, it features variable valve timing, direct fuel injection, and an ultra-lightweight forged aluminum block. This isn't just brute force, it's engineered violence. The result? A 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.3 seconds, making the Omega the quickest naturally aspirated Mustang ever built. But the performance story doesn't stop there. Ford has equipped the Omega 429 with a state-of-the-art 10-speed automatic transmission, with paddle shifters perfectly calibrated for both track days and daily drives. If you're a purist, rejoice, there's also a 6-speed Tremec manual option, complete with rev matching and a lightweight dual-disc clutch system. Rear-wheel drive, of course, remains standard, staying true to the Mustang lineage, but with an electronically controlled limited slip differential to put all that power to the pavement precisely where it's needed. Step inside, and the cabin of the Mustang Omega 429 is a masterclass in modern muscle design. It's minimalist yet immersive, with a digital cockpit that spans nearly 20 inches across. The new SYNC6 infotainment system brings crisp visuals and intuitive controls, with built-in performance, telemetry, lap timers, and even real-time G-force tracking. The dash is wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber, with brushed aluminum accents around the air vents and steering wheel. Recaro performance seats come standard, offering perfect bolstering for aggressive driving while still being comfortable for long highway cruises. Ambient lighting pulses subtly in rhythm with engine revs, creating an almost heartbeat-like connection between car and driver. The chassis is a completely re-engineered, design based on a reinforced version of the S650 platform. Ford has dropped the car's center of gravity by nearly 1.5 inches compared to the outgoing GT500, thanks to a lower-mounted engine and a carbon fiber roof. Adaptive MagneRide suspension has been tuned specifically for the Omega 429, offering multiple drive modes that range from comfort to track plus. On the road, it feels planted, sharp, and confident, everything you want in a high-performance muscle coupe. And on the track, it's a monster, capable of over 1.1 grams of lateral acceleration and equipped with massive Brembo brakes that bring it from 100 to 0 in just 2.8 seconds. The exterior color palette is as bold as the car itself. Ford is introducing exclusive new hues like Omega Orange, Electric Steel Blue, and Vortex Black Hull, with a high-gloss ceramic coating that not only looks stunning but adds real-world protection. Optional racing stripes can be added in carbon, matte black, or even digitally printed chrome for a next-level custom look. And don't even get us started on the wheel's 21-inch forged alloys with a turbine spoke design. Wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, specifically developed for the Omega. The wheel arches are flared, not just for looks, but to accommodate the wider track, giving this Mustang a hunkered down, ready 2-pound stance. Ford hasn't forgotten about safety either. The Mustang Omega 429 features the latest in driver assistance technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and a new track sense system that can predict loss of grip and preemptively adjust throttle and suspension settings to prevent oversteer or understeer. This level of intelligence is rare in muscle cars and speaks volumes about the all-around performance vision behind the Omega. Let's talk sound, because what's a Mustang without that unmistakable growl? The Omega 429's quad titanium exhaust system is custom-tuned with electronically controlled valves. There are 4 modes: quiet, normal, sport, and track. In quiet mode, early morning drives won't wake your neighbors. In track mode, it's thunder, an earth-shaking, spine-tingling rumble that can be heard from blocks away. It's more than a car. It's a concert on 4 wheels. Fuel efficiency isn't its strong suit, and Ford isn't pretending otherwise. Estimated at 14 mpg city and 22 highway, the Omega 429 is built for thrill, not frugality. But when you have a car like this, efficiency isn't the priority. It's about connection, excitement, and the pure joy of driving. What about exclusivity? Ford plans to produce only 4,290 units globally, a tribute to the 429 cubic inch V8 heritage. Each car will come with a numbered plaque, hand-signed by the lead engineer and designer. And for collectors, Ford is offering a legacy package that includes Boss 429-inspired decals, vintage badging, and a custom leather owner's journal, with build specs and sketches. The 2026 Mustang Omega 429 doesn't just aim to compete, aims to dominate. It's a tribute to a glorious past and a fearless step into the future. With muscle car culture at a crossroads, this Mustang says loud and clear, there's still room for gasoline-fueled passion in a world going electric. Whether you're a lifelong Ford fan, a muscle car enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates pure automotive excellence, the Omega 429 is a moment in history you won't want to miss. That's all for today's deep dive. If you love high-octane machines and the art of automotive storytelling, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride with us here at Car Vibes. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Omega 429. Is this the greatest Mustang ever made? Or is Ford just riding on nostalgia? We want to hear from you. Until next time, keep your hands on the wheel, your foot on the gas, and your ears tuned to the sound of horsepower.